Welcome back to another morning farm chores with Clark this time at Hogtown Homestead. Clark is sick today, and that's why he is home from school and helping me with farm chores this morning. So the first thing to do is feed the chickens. Go ahead, bud. I got you. He loves the chickens. And the chickens love it. Yeah. All right. Let's check the water. What's next? Okay, turning off the pig fence. Man, you guys are impatient this morning, huh? Impatient this morning. You're impatient. Oh no. Is it off? All right, go get some feed, buddy. You okay in there? All right. Let's go. Turn it off. Don't bite me. Go ahead. Go ahead. They're distracted. Nope, they won't. No, just dump it out, bud. There you go. Nice. Good job. Let's go get them some water. Hey, can you bring this up to the... Just put it by the garage.
Okay.
Also, don't forget the chicken scoop. So, that's the pig's bed. Give him some water. But anyways, pigs are good to go. The chickens have been moved and fed. They got plenty of water. So what's next is checking on the guineas. Let's go, let's meet at the guinea tractor, Clark. There's Gus, he loves morning farm chores. Our guinea, who has not been moving, has actually been moving around by herself a little bit here and there. There she goes. So it seems like she's got a little bit of a limp. So she might have injured her leg or something. And I'm glad we gave her some time, because if she hadn't gotten better and started moving on her own, I was just going to eat her. But we don't have to do that now. Clark, it looks like they have plenty of food and water. What do you think?
Yeah, I think they're fine.
All right. You got anything else you want to say in the video?
All I want to know is that I hope my brothers are doing okay at school. You know, the kid's kind of afraid by himself. So, I think this heard you trip.
What's that?
I think this heard you trip. You know,
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us with Farm Chores Hogtown Homestead. We'll see you next time.